Does hearing get worse if you don't wear a hearing aid? Yes. There's a lot of research to substantiate that if you don't wear hearing aids, you're going to lose your nerve fibers and your hair cells will atrophy and die due to lack of stimulation. Adults with mild hearing loss are twice as likely to develop dementia. Those with moderate hearing loss are 3 times as likely, and those with severe hearing loss are 5 times as likely to develop dementia. However, patients who wear their hearing aids every day not only hear and understand speech better, but they also have better overall cognitive functioning, better short-term memory, better balance, less incidence of falling, less incidence of dementia, less incidence of depression and anxiety. Remember, if you don't use it, you lose it. If you want to keep your brain functioning properly, wear your hearing aids every day.